Hey guys, so to reset all settings for your Canon camera, what you have to do is like pretty simple. You need to go to the settings, and then you're gonna have the 4 settings here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where you're gonna have this symbol. I'll just zoom in more. This symbol right here, and there you're gonna find a reset camera. So what you want to do is just like press it. And then when you're gonna do it and press it, there you're gonna have select option. You can reset individual settings. For individual selected options can reset, or you can press the factory reset. And that's it. This is how you're gonna do it. Pretty simple, pretty effective, but that's how it's done. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit on how you can reset the camera. And have a great day and goodbye.